Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi friends, here we have to find maximum value of P. If bearing stress not to be more than 12 ksi, so allow stress to be 12 ksi. This is on the board and sigma to be 20 ksi within bolt. Summation of fx must be 0 for equilibrium. So b minus p cos of 60 is equal to 0. So it is to be twice of p. Say equation 1. Now summation of f5 must be 0. So h minus p sine of 60 is equal to 0. So p is equal to 2 upon root 3 h. Here I have to make a correction. It is to be surface area of the screw is 2 into pi by 4 r square. So 0.1413 inch square. Now stress allow is given 12 ksi and it is to be V upon area. So 12 is equal to V upon 2 into pi by 4.3 square. So it is to be 1.69 KIP. Sorry. Sigma allow is given N upon AB. That is N upon 0.1413. So N you will get 0.1413 into N. Sorry. From equation 1 and 2. P you will get 3.39 QIP. And H you will get 2.82 QIP. So P will be 3.26 KIP. That's all. Thanks for watching it.